Welcome friends. Let us see this question. Right. In this question it is saying two small spheres, right? This is two small spheres, each of mass m and positive charge q. So they have positive charge q, right? You can see this is the positive charge q and positive charge q. Hang from light thread of length L. So this is a thread and this is the light, right? Each thread makes an angle of theta with the vertical as shown above. So you can see the angle is theta, right? On the diagram, draw the level all the forces on the sphere I. So first we have to draw all the forces on this sphere I. So let us draw it. See, so there will be one force that will be vertically downward, right? There will be a force that acts vertically downward, that is the mg, correct? Another force that will be the tension in the string, that is the T. And since this is positively charged q and this is also positively charged q, so there will be a electrostatic force of repulsion, right? There will be electrostatic force of repulsion, that is the F. So these three type of forces are applied on this sphere I, right? So this is the first part. Second, develop an expression for the charge q in terms of m, L, theta, g and Coulomb's law constant, that is the k, right? So for this we can break the component of forces, right? So we can break this tension in two components. One will be its vertical component and another will be its horizontal component. So this angle will be theta, right? So this will be t cos theta and this will be your t sin theta, right? And since it is in equilibrium, right friends, and since it is in equilibrium, so we can write t sin theta should be equal to F, as well as t cos theta should be equal to mg, correct? And we have to find the expression for q, right? So how we can find q? If we put the value of F, so t sin theta should be equal to F. F, how we can find F? That is the k q into q upon, right, square of the distance. We have to find square of the distance. So first we have to find what is the distance between these two spheres, right friends? What is the distance between these two spheres? We can find it. Please see, this is the first, this is the second, and let us suppose this is our vertical line, right? So this is angle theta, this is also angle theta, right friends? See, this is L. So what will be the component of this L? Along this axis it will be what? It will be L cos theta, right friends? And along this axis it will be L sin theta, right? Similarly this will be also your L sin theta, right? So the complete distance between these two spheres is 2L sin theta, correct? So we have to apply the value of this distance in this expression. So we will get t sin theta is equal to k q square divided by 2L sin theta whole square, right? So friends, as you can see, we have to find the expression for q. Here it is q. So, and this q should be in terms of theta, no problem, L, no problem, k, no problem, right? Theta, no problem. So we have to eliminate only this t. Our answer should never be in terms of t. According to question statement, it should be in terms of, please see, m, L, theta, g and Coulomb's constant k. So to replace the t, we have the another equation, right? from here we can write t is equal to mg upon cos theta, right? So we have to substitute the value of this t in this expression. So we can write mg upon cos theta into sin theta should be equal to k q square divided by 4l square sin square theta, right? So let us solve it. So q square will be what? So q square can be written as mg sin theta upon cos theta, and we can write 4l square sin square theta divided by k, right friends? So this can be written as mg l square, right, sin square theta, of course 4 will be also there, 4 mg l square sin square theta, and please see this sin theta upon cos theta can be written as tan theta, so this will be your tan theta and whole divided by k. So our answer should be 4l square, right, mg tan theta sin square theta upon k. This is the value of q square, right? So from this we can also find the value of q. We can write the expression for q also. Thanks for watching.